Hello, beautiful people of the cyber world. This is Jibon, your travel guide on the channel Let's Know the World Together. Today, we're setting off on a mesmerizing journey to Turkey, a country where ancient history and diverse culture blend seamlessly. We'll be exploring the top 5 must-visit places, each radiating a unique charm and rich narrative. From bustling cities where east meets west to enchanting landscapes filled with fairy chimneys, Turkey is a treasure trove of experiences. So buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey to the heart of Turkey. Our first stop is Istanbul, a city that straddles 2 continents. Residing on the edge of Europe and Asia, this metropolis is a vibrant fusion of both worlds, where the past and present intertwine in an intricate dance. Let's begin our journey with the Sultanahmet district, home to the iconic Blue Mosque. This architectural marvel, named for the blue tiles adorning its interior, stands as a testament to the city's rich Islamic heritage. With its 6 towering minarets reaching for the heavens, it's a sight that's hard to miss. Just a stone's throw away, we find the Hagia Sophia. Once a cathedral, then a mosque, and now a museum. The Hagia Sophia is a symbol of Istanbul's diverse history. Its grand dome, stretching up to the sky, has been an inspiration for architects for centuries. Inside, the intricate mosaics and calligraphy are a spectacular blend of Byzantine and Ottoman artistry. Next, we dive into the labyrinthine alleys of the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. Here, amidst the kaleidoscope of colors and the symphony of sounds, you can haggle over everything from traditional Turkish rugs to gold jewelry. The air is thick with the aroma of spices and Turkish tea, a sensory experience that's quintessentially Istanbul. But Istanbul is not just about its historic landmarks. It's a city that pulsates with energy and life. From the bustling street markets to the trendy cafes in the Galata district, from the call to prayer echoing across the Bosphorus to the vibrant nightlife in Taksim Square, Istanbul is a city that never sleeps. This is a place where you can lose yourself in the winding streets of the old town, then find yourself again amidst the skyscrapers of the modern city. It's a place where the muezzin's call to prayer mingles with the chatter of a bustling cafe, where the aroma of kebabs wafts through the air alongside the scent of freshly brewed coffee. Istanbul, a city where you can witness the confluence of 2 cultures and civilizations. Next, we travel to Cappadocia, known for its distinctive fairy chimneys. This mesmerizing region in central Turkey is a geological marvel, dotted with surreal landscapes that seem to belong in a dream. Now imagine a city beneath your feet. In Cappadocia, that's not just a figment of imagination, but a reality. These underground cities, some extending as deep as 8 levels below the surface, were once a refuge for the early Christians. They are a testament to human resilience and adaptability, a fascinating blend of history and mystery. Moving on from the subterranean to the divine, Cappadocia is also home to numerous cave churches. Carved out of the soft volcanic rock, these ancient churches are adorned with frescoes that have withstood the test of time. The Gorem Open Air Museum, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, houses some of the most impressive of these cave churches, offering an awe-inspiring glimpse into the religious practices of yesteryears. But Cappadocia isn't just about what lies beneath or within its rocks. It's also about what soars above. Picture yourself drifting in a hot air balloon as the first rays of sunlight illuminate the fairy chimneys below. This is one of the most magical experiences Cappadocia has to offer. The landscape, viewed from above, takes on a different perspective, and you are left in awe of the sheer beauty and scale of this geological wonderland. Speaking of fairy chimneys, these unique rock formations are a result of millions of years of natural processes. Volcanic eruptions laid down layers of ash, which turned into soft rock. Over time, the elements eroded this rock, leaving behind the harder portions. These eventually became the fairy chimneys we see today, standing proud and tall, fascinating visitors from around the world. Cappadocia, a place where natural beauty meets human history. This enchanting land with its fairy chimneys, underground cities, and cave churches is a testament to the power of time, the resilience of humans, and the endless wonders our world has to offer. Now, let's head to Pamukkale, the cotton castle of Turkey. Imagine a place where nature's artistry meets human history, a place that looks as though it's been spun from pure white cotton and cascades down a hillside like a frozen waterfall. This is Pamukkale, a spectacle of terraces of carbonate minerals left by flowing water. These terraces, also known as travertines, are created by a fascinating natural process. It begins with hot springs rich in calcium bicarbonate that bubble up from the earth. As the water flows down the hillside and cools, it leaves behind deposits of calcium carbonate that harden into a solid form, creating these surreal snow-white terraces. But Pamukkale is not just about the terraces. Nestled atop this geological marvel are the ancient ruins of Hierapolis, a city that dates back to the 2nd century BC. Hierapolis was once a thriving Roman spa city, and its ruins are a testament to its grand past. From the grand theater that could accommodate thousands to the necropolis with its myriad of tombs, Hierapolis is a window into an ancient world. The thermal waters of Pamukkale have been a significant attraction for centuries. These waters, rich in minerals, have been believed to have healing properties since ancient times. Even today, tourists can take a dip in the antique pool, also known as Cleopatra's Pool, amidst ancient Roman ruins. It's not every day you get to swim in a pool that's over 2,000 years old. And let's not forget the views. From the top of the terraces, one can see the stunning panorama of the Menderes Valley, a visual treat that adds to the allure of Pamukkale. So whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply a traveler looking for unique experiences, Pamukkale has something for you. From its stunning white terraces that look like they've stepped out of a fairy tale, to the ancient ruins that whisper tales of a bygone era, to the thermal waters that invite you to soak and relax, Pamukkale is a destination that captivates and enchants. Pamukkale, a natural wonder that leaves everyone in awe. Our journey continues to Ephesus, an ancient Greek city on the coast of Ionia, a place steeped in history and mythology. Ephesus is a rich tapestry of ancient civilizations, offering a glimpse into the past that few other places can match. Let's start with the Library of Celsus, a marvel of architectural design. This grand library, built in the 2nd century, is a testament to the city's love for knowledge and learning. Its facade, with towering columns and ornate carvings, is a sight to behold. It once held thousands of scrolls, making it one of the largest libraries of the ancient world. Walking through its halls is like stepping back in time, where scholars of yore would have pored over texts and debated philosophy. Next, we shift our attention to the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. This colossal structure, dedicated to the Greek goddess Artemis, was a place of worship and a symbol of Ephesus's religious devotion. Though only a few columns remain today, the temple's grandeur can still be imagined, a reminder of the city's vibrant past. Ephesus was more than just a city of grand structures. It was a bustling hub of commerce in the ancient world, with its strategic position making it a vital port for trade. Goods from Asia, Africa, and Europe would pass through its markets, making Ephesus a melting pot of cultures and ideas. The city was a beacon of civilization, shining brightly amidst the ancient world. Above all, Ephesus is a place of stories, of people who lived, loved, and dreamed thousands of years ago. As you walk its ancient streets, you can't help but feel a connection to the past. The stones echo with the voices of merchants, scholars, and ordinary citizens who once called this city home. Ephesus, a place where you can walk in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. A city frozen in time, waiting for you to discover its secrets, to listen to its stories, and to experience the wonders of the ancient world. So what are you waiting for? History awaits. And with that, we wrap up our virtual journey through the mesmerizing landscapes of Turkey. Began our journey in Istanbul, the city where East meets West. A city that breathes history, culture, and modernity all at once. A city that truly never sleeps. Next, we traveled to the magical land of Cappadocia, a place straight out of a fairy tale. We soared high above the ground in a hot air balloon, witnessing a surreal landscape of towering fairy chimneys, unique rock formations, and ancient cave dwellings. Our journey then took us to the white terraces of Pamukkale. It was like stepping into a dream, a place where nature and history blend seamlessly. We then stepped back in time in Ephesus, the ancient Greek city. And the best part, there's so much more to explore. So pack your bags and let the allure of Turkey sweep you off your feet. This is Jibon signing off from Let's Know the World Together. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.